नमो महावदानाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदाय कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामिने गौरत्रिश्री नमः। So, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. Krishna, Krishna Chaitanya Namine. He has assumed the name of Krishna Chaitanya. Actually, he is Krishna. That is confirmed in Vedic literature, especially in the Srimad Bhagavatam. It is said, Krishna Varnam Tisha Akrishnam Sangapanga Saparsanam Jaggai Sankirtanai Prai Jaganti Hisunen. So, Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after taking his sannyas order, his name was Krishna Chaitanya. So Rupa Goswami said that you are Krishna. You have now come as Krishna Chaitanya. Why? Krishna Prema Pradaya. Just to distribute love of Krishna. And Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission was Prema Pumatha Maha. Generally people understand Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha. But Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that above moksha, above liberation, there is love of God.
Hare Krishna,